Baking with Charles. Now, baking involves the Charles law, which is a pretty important law in science. Now, Charles law involves the increase of temperature, which corresponds to the increase in volume. So as temperature increases, so does the volume. Now, with this, our equation, since it's Charles law, is going to be V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2. But we're solving for for the second volume. So our working equation is going to be T2 times V1 over T1. And that's going to go to X equals 450 degrees kelvins, which is going to be our desired baking temperature, times 50 inches cubed, which is our initial volume. And that's going to be divided by our room temperature of 293 degree kelvins. And with that, the equation is going to come out to be 76.8 inches cubed. And that is our new volume. Now, this law applies to baking because there's a direct variation between the volume and temperature. The higher the temperature, the more volume it increases. In context of baking, the higher the temperature, the more the bread rises. Charles' law is used in baking because the temperature in the oven increases until it reaches 450 degrees kelvins. Therefore, the temperature of the bread increases until it reaches 450 degrees Kelvin to become baked. Also, the volume of the bread increases as the temperature increases and the bread rises. Pressure remains constant throughout the baking process along with moles. So there you have it. There's Baking with Charles.